So we are going to be using the start from scratch. So we'll click on that, start from scratch. Okay, you can see that it has many scenes that you can use. So any scene you want to use, you're just going to click on it to be able to use them. You can see various types that you can easily use. You use the one that fits what you're about to type. Good. Now, so the first, I'm going to be clicking on this first one, which is Happy Man. You can see that. So when you click on it, it's going to bring two buttons below here, which is the select all and insert. So you are going to click on the insert button. After clicking on the insert button, you are going to see this next page. In this page, you'll be able to add your text to the template. So you click on add text. This, okay. So when you click on that, you'll be able to type in your text. So you can just type in any text. Hello everyone. Okay. So after that, you might want to add more templates. So you click on this sign over here. This one. To add in more templates or scenes. So let's check another beautiful scene that we can add. Okay, let's use this. So after clicking on it, you click on insert. Then you type in your text. So welcome to the creative industry. Okay, good. So let's assume we still want to add another one. You're going to click on add again. So let us look for another scene that we can use. Let's just go through it gently. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm trying to check another scene that will fit into the animation video we are making. Let me just go through it again. Hold on. Okay, yes, let's use this. Okay, so you click on insert. Okay, so let's type see you at the top, full stop. Okay, so we have created three scenes now. We've written text. Now if you come to this upper part here, you're going to see different headings here. So let's check that. That's at this part, sorry. This part. Now this first one is where we are using right now. That's the editing part. Now let's move to the next one. Now let's click on that. Now for this one, this is our overall look. So if you want it to be in this form, maybe you want it to bring out an hand that will clean the animation, or you want to use this other one, so you can choose any animation overall look you want, but I'm going to be using this board drawing. Good. Now so let's move to the next one. The next one is talking about the color. Now as you can see, this original video, it has a blue color. So for us to change the color, maybe you don't want this blue color, so you just click on this place, which is the main color. So you click on it. So when you click on it, it automatically bring this color wheel. So you can easily click on the color you want to add it into your design. So maybe you want to change the color, you don't want to use the exact color. So let's assume we want to use, let me put it in red. Then let me adjust this a little. Okay, good. So after doing that, you have automatically change the color. So let me put it back. Okay, you can see that I already changed the color. Now the next one is music. The next icon, which is this, is the music icon. So you can easily add any sound you want to the video. So you can add a voiceover, that is, you are going to talk into it, or you can add music. So if you want to add music, you can only add music that are already downloaded on the Whiteboard Animation toolkit. You can see them over here. So you can just click on anyone you want to add your sound, as you can see. So I'm going to be using this first one. Okay, yes, I'm going to use this one. So for you to be able to use any sound, you are going to click on this add sign here. So when you click on it, you can see that it has added this sound to the video. So you go to the next icon here, which is the video. In this part, you are going to be exporting the video for it to be downloaded. So when you go there, you're going to see this fast preview HD72 export. But I think for the new users of the Whiteboard Animation Toolkit, you might still be seeing only fast preview. So when you click on fast preview, you can easily download it. But it's best to download using the HD720 export. So you're going to click on it. When you click on it, the video will be exported to the video files in your Whiteboard Animation Toolkit. It's not going to download it, it's just going to export it there to your video folder. So after exporting to your video folder, you now go into your video folder to download. So let us wait for it to export our video. So that's almost finished exporting our video. So let's wait for it to finish exporting it. So rendering finished, applying audio. So it's trying to add the music sound to the video. So let's wait for it to do that. Okay, I think it's almost done. Good. So after that, it's going to bring in this new page. So what you just have to do, what you just have to do is to click on this pencil mark. So when you click on this pencil mark, it's going to take you to where you have been editing your videos. So let's click on that. It's processing. So don't forget, like I told you earlier, this needs a very good internet connection for it to work. So after that, you are going to click on this your hamburger sign again. This hamburger sign here. So since you're already logged in, it's going to automatically show all this here. But if you are not logged in, it will not be able to show all this. So you are going to go into my videos. You click on my videos. So when you click on my videos, it's going to show you the videos you have designed using the Whiteboard Animation Toolkit. As you can see this. Good. So after that, you are going to click on this free preview. Free preview. Oh, that's a mistake. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, you go into my videos.